to people confessing to real life murders. So, you know what I'm saying? Grab your trusty pen, you know what I'm saying? And let's take a hit before we go, cause this shit's gonna get deep. I'm a little sick, so you can hear the sniffle. Bitch, I'm a dog. All right, so as y'all can see, we are on the YouTube channel. Yes, this is the official YouTube channel of FML Fast Money Lifestyle. Make sure y'all subscribe to that real quick. Go watch these 2 videos. They're low key bullshit, but I'll go fuck with it. All right, so today we are on Reddit and we are looking at nursing home confession stories. Yes, these are nursing home confession stories from people that have worked in nursing homes or know someone that has worked in a nursing home. I found those Japs over there. I'm gonna get them. Yeah, partner. Wait, can I say that? I love Japanese people, bro. We got to smoke one for Japanese people now, bro. Fuck this nigga, bro. He had Parkinson's. Shit. He had Parkinson's and some dementia. And was an World War II Marine. Copy. He might not make it through this video, bro. I love the good Lord.